Okay, so I'm Antoine Thomas. I'm working as a community manager for Bonitasoft. Bonitasoft is the leading open source BPM company. If you don't know what is BPM, it's Business Process Management. And I will try to explain how we help the company Loop to help them accelerating the development of their solution. So a short word about Bonitasoft. So it's a project first founded by Miguel Valdez IV in 2001, and then in 2009 a company was founded to provide support and commercial stuff to customers. And here in 2013, we are now 130 in the world with an office in Grenoble, Paris, and San Francisco. And we have released our brand new version 6.1 just in October, so a few weeks ago, introducing a new studio, a new portal, a new engine, which is 4 times faster at least. So how it works? Basically, we have a BPM engine. It's written in Java. It uses many technologies around that. And you can use it to connect to many things. It can be databases, it can be email connector, you can connect to Twitter or other social solutions. Actually, when a structure, a website or something is providing an API, a way to connect and so on, you can design your own connector, and Bonita comes with a lot of connectors already written to be used with a wizard. To develop, you can use the Bonita Studio. I will show a screenshot after this slide. And your end user are using the Bonita portal to manage their applications, their processes. And of course, there are true end users for people who don't do management of processes, but just use them in day-to-day business. So here is the Bonita BPM Studio. So it's based on Eclipse, and on the left you have the palette with all the tools. So in Bonita we use BPMN2 notation, so it's very easy and it is a standard, and you can export, import, and so on. At the bottom you have all the options and stuff you can set, and in the center you have the diagram design space, when you can just drag and drop stuff, put some links between steps, create human steps, automatic steps, add connectors to anything, and then you can design forms. So with that forms, human task can interact with people. The portal, it's a simple web application. It's connected to the engine, and it helps you to manage your apps, manage the version of your apps, and it allows users to see the tasks that they have to do. They can start new cases and so on. About Loop, this is a use case I will try to explain. Loop is a company created a few years ago by transactions experts, people working for bank companies or insurance companies. And they are working on solutions for merchants and end users to manage, for end users their credit cards, and for merchants the different possibility to get paid when somebody buys something in their shop, in their store, or online on the e-commerce website. So how we do that? I tried to create this slide like BPMN diagram, but I cannot show the true Loop diagram because it's confidential. But you can do 2 stuff with Loop. First, you are an end user, you have many credit cards, at least in countries like in USA it's the case, and you want to manage all your credit cards in an app with your phone and be able to pay in the phone. And instead to slice the credit card in the machine, you do that on the screen of your phone. You choose your credit card, you do that with your finger on the screen, and you pay the merchant. You are a merchant, be it in a store or shop or be it online. You need to accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and many other system of payment, credit cards, online stuff. And the problem is that every third-party processor, every provider of payment has specific protocols, security, encryptions, and so on. And it is very complicated to manage everything. And each time you want to add a new processor for the transaction, Loop had to redesign a part of its application. And it was very hard to manage and to maintain. So they hire one of the experts of insurance and highly skilled in BPM, and they look at how they can use BPM solution to increase and add more flexibility in their development processing. So you have the two parts, end user and merchant. They do the two stuff they can do, and at the middle you have a Bonita process that will handle all the stuff about credit cards, transactions, payments, and so on, and address through a specific process the transaction to the good processor. By processor, I mean Visa, MasterCard, and so on. This way, when you need to add a new processor, a new partner, and so on, you don't redesign the whole application. You don't push again a whole application online. You just put a new sub-process and you just update the few parts of the main application you need to handle the new processor. Why BPM and why Bonita? First of all, as I said, Mr. Meyer is the VP of software engineering at Loop, had a great experience using BPM solutions, and he would like to use an open source one. So open source is not on my slide, but it was compulsory, mandatory. So they look at solutions like Bonitasoft and GBPM. And after doing some trials with the development team, they choose Bonita because it was very easy to learn. It was very scalable, and it was written with Java, and their team was very skilled with Java. So if you want to see more information about this case or more use case about how to integrate Bonita in your business or manage Bonita application with your business, you can just flash the code or go on bonitasoft.com. And if you want to have a short view of how to use Bonita, develop a diagram and so on, you can find on our new websites many examples, many working templates. You can just install the studio, install the templates, click on run, and you will be able to interact and try the stuff with many users. Thank you.
Excellent.